Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Grafikky review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll be talking about the software called Grafikky. So this is the Grafikky review, and right now we are on the sales page. Then we have the demo video which is for 10 minutes, I guess 11 minutes long, okay. And then I have the login access of the software as well. So we'll cover these three things: sales page, demo, and the login access of the dashboard. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And on the sales page, it says you can go and get your discount coupon. First of all, special offer 10% off. Okay, so remember it's 10%, not $10. So the price for commercial license is 47 bucks. And that means if you go and use the discount coupon, it will be minus 4.7. So you'll be paying around 43 or maybe $42. Okay. So that's the coupon code for you, and it says introducing Grafikky, the 10-in-1 graphics suite for all your graphic needs. Create and sell unlimited high converting graphics in any niche using the power of 10 smart tools that covers all the graphic design needs under the sun. And you may go and watch the video here, and this is all about graphics. So one-time payment 37. This is for personal license. We'll talk about that. And then you have these features: powerful cloud-based 10-in-1 graphic design tool to create any graphics under the sun. 2000 plus proven to convert templates to get started immediately. Create high converting graphics in less than 60 seconds, and too much to read. So I will skip this. I thought there are only 4 or 5 things to read, but it's too much to read, okay? So here you can see they're giving you 10 tools for creating some kind of graphics, and they're saying you can become some freelancer, okay? So I would say it's not for newbies. Nothing is for newbies on the internet, because you see here the screenshots they're showing pro verified. So these people are established freelancers, and they are making or designing these kind of graphics, with their skills, with their experience, using some software obviously, and that is how they make money. Okay, so yes, the money can be made, but you have to go and figure out how deep the water is before you jump. Okay, so it's not for newbies. Nothing is for newbies if you are online on the internet. Okay, so you have to have certain skills, and those skills will make you money. We'll talk about that as well in the end, because if you are thinking about making money online, I can tell you the best way to make money online is just by doing what I am doing right now. You can go ahead and start a YouTube channel, get your YouTube channel monetized, and just make money by uploading videos. Okay, so if you don't know what I just said, it means that you are watching my video and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube video, and the more ads people see in my YouTube video, the more money that video makes for me without selling anything. Okay, so I'll show you all the proofs in the end. For now, I can tell you this software Grafikky is going to help people who are into editing, designing images, videos, stuff like that. Okay, they have 10 tools. You can see here: designing wizard, thumbnail champion, Google Ads Guru, social media ads master, logo engineer, quote producer, 365 days done for you content, hashtag generator, trending content generator, content calendar scheduler, blah blah blah. Right, so you have 10 tools. You'll be getting access to these 10 tools, and I'll show you inside the members area here, I guess. There you go. So tools, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 tools. That's right. Okay, so you'll be getting access, and then we have the demo video, which is for like 10 minutes or maybe 20 minutes. Okay, so the actual demo is for 20 minutes. So you have to go through all these editing softwares, and as I said, it is for people who are maybe running some digital marketing company or agency, or maybe you are an experienced freelancer, you already have a good profile on Fiverr or Upwork, and you are getting clients every now and then you can go through and then you can go and see if you want this software. So again, it is for people who are experienced and they know how digital media works, how to approach clients, because yes, people need lucrative images to attract their audience, they need videos, okay, but can you do it? You have to have those technical skills inside you too. Okay, so I will not lie to you, it's not for newbies, it's only for people who know how to do technical stuff. Okay, so these were 8 tools, right? And you will get the proper training, and you'll see everything in the demo video. Here is the demo video. So you can see this demo video is 20 minutes long. Okay, the one which is here is for 11 minutes only. So what I will do is I will leave the link of the short demo video, this one here, below my YouTube video. So below my YouTube video, you will find the link of the short demo video, which is for around 12 minutes. And you will also find the link of the sales page, which will be saying grab Grafikky copy here. If you click on that link, you will be taken to the sales page, and then you can go ahead and watch this full demo video, okay? And these videos will also be available inside the dashboard if you buy and when you log in. All right, so I guess that's it, and you can utilize these images to post on social media, as they say here. It's all about social media and images, okay? So if you are into that field, if this makes sense to you and if you need this, then you can go and buy this. Otherwise, it has got nothing to do with making money. They are saying that you can sell these images and pictures to your clients and make money, but obviously selling is required. You need to have an established profile, and you need to have clients. That's your problem, not mine, not theirs, okay? So again, guys, go and check out everything on the sales page, and if this is for you, just go and grab this. I don't offer bonuses, so don't worry about the bonuses here. I will not go and ask you, this is my bonus page, go and grab product. That's bullshit, okay? Bonus is like a bribery. Never fall for some bonus shit, okay? Because if the product is incredible on its own, then the product will be sold no matter what, okay? So if I give you bonuses or not doesn't really matter. Bonus is what? Bonus is diversion, okay? Bonuses will actually give you those things which you will never use in your life, okay? So we have two prices here, one time which will be 37 and then commercial license for 47. So obviously you will have to go and pay for commercial license, which will be $47, right? And sell multiple services. They have 30 days money back guarantee. What else do we have? So we have frequently asked questions. What is this? Can I make unlimited templates using Grafikky? Absolutely you can. Does this cover every single ad placement option? As you can see, ad placement means different kinds of ratios. On Instagram you have different size of the image, on Facebook you have different size of the image, on Google ads if you're running Google ads campaign, Twitter ads, everywhere you have different sizes for the images. So it will be, when this software will allow you to create images for every platform, okay? Does Grafikky works on Windows and Mac? It works on the browser, so it does. Do I need to have any kind of technical skills? Yes, you have to, okay? I told you, you may go and play around, you may go and customize everything and make images, do all that, but will you make money? No, you will not make money if you don't have experience, you don't have skills, okay? If you have skills, then only you can go and create a profile on Fiverr or Upwork, and then only you can talk to the clients, you can answer their questions, technical questions, okay? And if you don't have technical knowledge, and let's pretend that I am your client, okay, and I'm chatting with you on Fiverr or Upwork, I'm asking you technical questions and you have no idea what I'm asking, right? You have no idea what I'm asking, what is my requirement, what I want you to do for my business. You have no clue. So how would you how would you go and close the deal, okay? So yes, you need to be tech savvy, otherwise not for you. Can I use it for my projects? Yes, if you want to use it for your own projects, then of course, you don't have to go and serve any clients. You can do whatever you like with this one. Is there a money back guarantee 30 days? Do I need to pay monthly, yearly, blah, blah? No, this is one-time cost. Where do I contact support? Go on Freshdesk here, okay? And then let's talk about the OTOs here. So OTOs, where are they? They are there, okay? So front end 47, then OTO number 1 is this, OTO 2 is this, OTO 3 is this, OTO 4 is this. Now what are you going to get into these OTOs? Just take a look here. In OTO 1, which is for 67 USD per month, that's a lot, right? Let's see, let's try to check that again. 67, 57, I guess it's for 57, but is it per month? That's a lot of money, okay? So I'm not sure if this is one time or it says here, so for, as of now it says it's one, it's not one time, it's per month, okay? So when you go on this OTO 1 sales page, make sure you double check there, is it one time only or is it per month before you go and commit to it, okay? Then agency license OTO 2 is again here 77 USD per month, that's a lot of money here. And then we have OTO 3, which is 197 per month, and we have OTO 4, which is 27 per month, okay? So you can check all these features here. It's something which you need to look into, not me, because I don't buy anything online because I don't need, okay? I make my money simply by making these YouTube videos, and I don't have to sell you anything. So whether you buy this from me or not, if you buy, it's good. If you don't, that's also not bad, because I am making money with my YouTube video, okay? So you can first of all go below my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel, because YouTube says you can't subscribe to yourself. I'll show you the reason. If you don't believe me, I'll show you why. So if I go and copy my YouTube channel link here and paste it into the new tab, and then let's see what YouTube asks me to do, okay? YouTube is quite slow because I have too many videos on my channel. So yeah, okay, what is here? Membership, I don't want membership, right? So subscribe, I want to subscribe to myself. It's slow, right? You see here now? So we are going to click on subscribe, okay? And then see what happens, subscribe. Now YouTube says, you may not subscribe to yourself, okay? This is the reason, guys. This is the reason you people have to subscribe to my channel, because I cannot subscribe to myself. That's why we YouTubers have to ask you to subscribe, okay? Subscribe, like, and do whatever, okay? And you can leave your super thanks, super comments as well, and I'll get back to you. So I have told you the sales page is right here, the demo video. Let me show you if I can show anything here. It's all technical stuff, okay? So she's talking about how to design your stuff, right? So there's nothing for me to explain. It's, you know, it's their product, so they are responsible for explaining their product and the technical part. So you may go and watch this demo video, which is for like 12 minutes, or you can directly go on the sales page and watch that demo, which was for 20 minutes, okay? And that's all, I guess. Or inside the software, I don't know what to do here, so I'll try to show you these options. This is a designing wizard, so if I click here, what happens? This is what happens. You get these kind of things, okay? So I will not operate the software because it's not something which I need, but you need to check all, you know, you need to check all these options in case you are planning to buy this. So we have thumbnail champion, and obviously I have told you that if you go and watch that 20 minutes demo video, you know, they will be showing you all these tools, how to use them, how to cover them, okay? Again, right now it's working slow, so it's not my internet, it's their software itself. And let me refresh, something went wrong. Okay, let's try to click on something else. Social media ads master. Just going to run around, processing. Again, guys, you know, it's a software, cloud-based software. They might be working in the backend, right? Because this product is launching when? I think this is launching on 18th, okay? This product is launching on 18th of July. I'm doing an early review, so I'm not sure if their product, the software is, you know, under maintenance. They must be working on it, and right now it's not as fast, and I don't take any guarantees if it's fast or slow, okay? So go and check out the demo video. That will explain you better than me, okay? And again, here we have all these things, and I have no idea what to do with them because it's not my interest, okay? It's a demo account anyway. So let's see in the end what I can help you with. So what is this name? Grafikky. It's for people who are actually active digital marketing agencies or active freelancers and they have clients. Then you can go and make money with this. Or else if you are your business itself, you are going to use these images and videos for your own business, then you can buy this. Go and check out the demo video. And for those people who are brand newbies, okay, if you are a hardcore newbie and you are here to make money online only, then do not buy this. It is not for newbies. Making money online is so very simple. All you have to do is make YouTube videos, and that's all, okay? So now I'll talk about how to make money on YouTube. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Grafikky Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube, Grafikky Jarvis. So this Grafikky Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Grafikky Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic service within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change, these numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside traffic service. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.